Have you ever wanted to use a high-powered website editor, but could not afford any of the great ones? Believe me, I know what it's like. And if you're like most people that need to edit code for a living or even a side gig, and you see others using popular and expensive code editors, but those are simply out of your budget range, well, sure, you could save some money by not eating for a couple of weeks or ride your bike to work more often, but then you realize that not eating will cause more problems, and you don't even own a bike. What if I told you there was an affordable option from the company that brought us Dreamweaver, only this option is 100% free. No tricks, no gimmicks, and there's a version for Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm talking about the Brackets Code Editor. The Brackets Editor has been around for over 6 years and is fully supported and constantly updated, and yes, it's free. The one drawback is that it does come with a bit of a learning curve. Well, I'm here to fix that for you right now, because today I'm thrilled to announce our brand new Brackets Code Editor Basic Training Program. This course contains 20 plus over-the-shoulder style training videos that walk you through the different parts of the free open source code editor as well as how to use it. Now, I've gathered snippets of a few of the videos in this set for you to see and listen to the quality you'll receive. So if you do this shortcut thinking that you're going to get something happening with this particular extension, you're in for a surprise because it's not. So let's go ahead and fix this. So just remember that this is the conflicting problem and this is the current assigned shortcut. So if we change this shortcut to something else, then this error should go away. Okay, so how do we do that? And let me demonstrate the tab menu feature where if we were to have that active and open, if we click anywhere outside of that, it automatically hides it. Whereas if we had that option unticked, then this would remain open until we clicked on the X here to close it manually. And you can see the icons from the right toolbar. The right toolbar is no longer there, but the icons that were there are now displayed here in the lower left corner of our left sidebar. And if we collapse the left sidebar, as the name implies, with Live Preview, Brackets lets you see the changes that you're making on your documents within your browser as you're making those changes. Now you can activate Live Preview a few different ways. The easiest is by clicking on the like. Thank you for watching these short clips that I put together of the training videos within this set. Now since you are backed by the full money-back refund policy, I've removed all the risk. So go ahead and click on the Buy Now button and I'll see you on the inside.